What's up, my real ones? Real Talk Renata in the building. We have our Impossible Whopper and some onion rings. Thank you, Lord, for this food. We're about to dig in. My husband has his food. He's about to dig in. But you just need to do mukbangs because everybody wants you to do stuff on here. I put extra mustard on it. Thank you a lot. I had to cut my own Whopper. And yeah, the sandwich wasn't what I thought it was going to be. But we're still thankful. I'm only going to eat half of it. Are you eating ketchup? The liquid sugar? Do you want one of my... they put it in the back. Yeah, I did. My onion ring. Impossible Whopper, huh? Never fry. Please. You want some of them? Huh? I'm gonna eat this and share, y'all. Today has been a day. I have onion ring song. What you got? Not my sour, sweet and sour. Babe, that was for me and my fries. You stole it. I don't take leftovers. What is that?
What?
What's that sauce? Do you even know? What is it, man?
You said the sauce? This is sweet and sour and ranch.
You don't ever ask for sweet and sour. Ever.
I got some chicken nuggets.
You don't have chicken nuggets.